Daddy has a chainsaw!
Stay over here.
I'm getting out of the way now. Daddy, get out of the way! This is gonna be interesting. This guy's like, I'm out of here. Bye bye. That's funny. Woo! Did you see that? That was awesome! This is going on Facebook. This is going on Facebook. And YouTube. This is good. This is hilarious.
Oh boy, you give these kids some power tools and they get shit done.
That's funny.
What? Cut it down.
Yeah, that wasn't creepy at all. Being hysterical again. Look at Abby. She's underneath the bench. She's scared. What'd she say?
No. Cut it down. Don't you want to put a rope on it?
Big one, that thing will break that whole fence.
It's not falling down. It fell down. Imagine that. Daddy!
Yay!
Daddy!
Oh, it's got the chainsaw one.
Daddy!
Go over there now.
Daddy! That's your broccoli.
I told Marcus to give these boys some power tools and
They get stuff done.
they get stuff done.
Okay, that's the end of this. Bye bye.